Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just making a quick video update. I know I haven't been making videos, and I know I just got a bunch of new subscribers, which is amazing. And I know it's not a lot, but I got like 100 people who watched something that I made, and they don't know anything about me, and they were like, you know what, I'm gonna tune in and see what this guy's up to. I've been mostly making videos about the small RX100 camera, which is in my bag right now. I didn't realize this camera is this wide. I've never used like an angle this wide to make a YouTube video. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so here are some of the few things that I have cooking right now. I have a video about my production carry-on. So for those who don't know, I've been doing a lot of video production with clients in New York, in Egypt, in Florida, just all over the world. This is kind of how I make money, like the bulk of most of my money. I've been also doing workshops and webinars with Sony and B&H. These are pretty cool. I've made a series about the RX100, and also my kind of bread and butter, my specialty, if I may, is the psychology of photography. And the last one I made was The Selfish Photographer. If you look up The Selfish Photographer, it should be the first thing that shows up on the B&H page. Another thing I'm cooking is I'm doing a video about how I'm gonna use the RX100 underwater in the Red Sea. I got an underwater housing for the RX100, and I'm in Egypt right now. I'm a little bit sick, if you can't tell by my congestion. Also, I just got a few pictures licensed as pieces of art, and some of them are with the small RX100 pocket camera. I'm trying to also do a few trips while I'm here, within Egypt and outside of Egypt. I'm trying to host trips. There's so much I'm trying to do, but I've been just kind of trying to take it one step at a time. And just wanted to make a quick update video. And yeah, thank you guys for just joining me. And yeah, excited to put more content out there. I'm gonna do a lot of vlog style, kind of similar to the one I did in New York. I'm gonna do that in Egypt, and yeah, might be going to Europe. Things are a little hectic, things are a little crazy, but we're hanging in there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, and I'm supposed to do that.